If you haven't already, man, come on, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going
She gave me neck, I was so unimpressed. I been out the way, keep me out your mess. I ain't tasting hoe.
What it is, YouTube, man, what it do. It's your boy, Jay the Hard Way. Back in this thing, another video that's a real, that's a way. Every day above ground is a good day. We're doing a legit way. No more none of this ski, man. Today, all right. So I've been trying to change my brake pads and rotors for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks. First time, had a snag, had the Mopar wheels on it. I mean, the Mopar locks on the, so I was able to get those off. I was gonna paint my calipers too at the same time while I changed my brake pads and my rotors too. So as you can tell, calipers are already painted red, but I've been having a problem with getting the calipers off in the back, because these bolts, they put these bolts like right here, right underneath the stabilizer. Like, so it's kind of hard to get to. So if you're having that problem too, long story short, you have to jack up the whole rotor and you get you some leverage. That's how I was able to do it. That's how I was able to do it. That's the only way you're gonna be able to do it. All right, you guys, here you go again. Jay the Hard Way. I'm back in this thing. So, all right. So I was able to get the back ones, the back bolts off. If y'all remember, the stability bar was in the way of me getting the bolt. As you can see, I was able to get it done and get it on and get it off. It look a whole lot better. That's the back tire. So for the front tire, it's completely different. So the bolts are bigger. So there's probably about 19 to 20 size bolt on there. This one is a whole lot bigger than the one on the back, cause I used the 18. Yeah, this is what I use for the back, and this don't even fit. Don't even fit on there. Yeah, I'm not a mechanic. I hate doing mechanic work, but I refuse to go to a shop and pay those ridiculous amounts of price when I can do it myself. Also, brakes and rotors, TRQ, Amazon. They come, so they come already labeled and everything. Passenger side, driver side. TRQ, okay. AutoZone or Riley's is holding some kind of special for 2 rotors. You buy the rotors and you get the brakes for free. You're gonna pay $150 for each rotor. I'm tell you that right now. You're gonna pay $150 for each rotor. And you get the brakes for free. When you can go on Amazon, you get 2 rotors for $150. Or no, 2 rotors. It depends on the front or rear. For the rear ones I paid with the TRQ, they were like $109. But for the front with the brakes and rotors I pay a little bit over $150 for that's both rotors and both sets of brake pads for the front. Oh, riders, man, they robbing people. But so this is my problem I'm having that I finally got off. Changing the brake pads and everything is easy. Hey, those are easy. I see my brakes, man. Them brakes is gone. Them brakes is gone. Let's see. Old rotor. That came off the back. Front rotors slotted in, you know. So it's gonna look a whole lot more better, man, compared to, you know what I'm saying? That one got a little bit of lip on, but it's not bad. So I just really just go ahead and get it over with, get it done, man. You know, if I already had a hard time getting these off, I can only just imagine if I had to wait it like another year or two to get these off. I probably wouldn't even be able to get these off, man. But I'm gonna show y'all the finishing result when I'm done. I still gotta do the other side also. You see, I still gotta do the other side also, so. But compressor helps me out a whole lot. All right, I'm gonna turn this camera back on when I start on the other side. I'm gonna finish this, put these brakes back on. All right, y'all, here we go. That's the finish here. So, like I said, the front caliber bolt, this right here, is a 21. And I had to use 21. But this, I used that to get it started. I used this right here to get it off, the ratchet. It's a ratchet 1316. Well, I did the back already, as you can see. It looks so good. It looks so good. Now my car's just dirty, so now. Those the old rotors. Those the new rotors. Let's see, man, all of them days work. All right, man, so I'm done with this. Well, I started probably about 11, 12 o'clock, 11:30, about 11:30, and it's 5 o'clock now. But what the hell happened right there? That's a nice little thing right there. Somebody hit my car real good. But I need a new paint job anyway, man, so that's coming soon. But before I do the paint job, I gotta do everything else. Wheel alignment, tuner, all that's coming in the future, man. So make sure you tune in, man. Keep locked in. It's your bro Dre the hard way, man. There's a will, there's a way. Every day above ground's a deal with a good day. We're doing legit weight. No more no excuse, man. So I'm out.